Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 cyber threats that can threaten your smartphone. That's true, cybercrime has picked up in recent years and more people are using their mobile devices. So it's very important that you take steps in order to make sure that you don't become a victim of a cybercrime. We're going to switch screens like we always do, and we're going to take a look at some of the 5 things that you can do in order to keep your smartphone safe. Let's switch screens like we always do, and let's talk about the top 5 cyber safety tips to protect your mobile device. As I said earlier, mobile devices are very popular for most computer users. Many people ditching their computers and moving towards mobile devices. Cyber criminals are aware of this, so they have created tactics in order to get your precious data or to hack your device. You've got such schemes as phishing schemes. You've got mobile phone schemes where people will take advantage of your mobile account in order to purchase equipment and sell that equipment off. So there's all sorts of crimes out there. So you need to be safe on your smartphone and make sure that you don't become a victim. So the first tip that you need to do is to make sure that you lock your phone. You can use a pin pattern finger lock to lock your phone. If your phone is stolen, then you don't have to worry about it if it's locked. You do obviously need to back up your phone in case it's stolen, but fingerprint security is almost impossible to hack. So if you've got a mobile device where you can use your fingerprint, that's a good idea to put into place. A lot of you don't lock your mobile devices, but you need to think about the items that you store on your smartphone, such as financial data and personal data. So if that phone were to fall in the hands of someone you didn't want it to, then you need to make sure that your phone is locked so you don't have that problem. Next on our list is to update your smartphone. I know it's a pain in the butt, but you really do need to update your smartphone to make sure that it will have the latest security updates. Phone manufacturers such as Apple and Android are constantly looking out for different cyber threats. So whenever they find one, they issue a phone update. So when you see that update come across your phone, you need to go ahead and download that update to make sure that your smart device is going to stay protected from the latest cyber threats out there. Next on our list would be to avoid public Wi-Fi if possible. It's great to use public Wi-Fi if you have a limited data plan on your phone, but the challenge is with a lot of hotspots, hackers will set up fake Wi-Fi in public locations to lure you into using those fake Wi-Fi hotspots, and they can steal your data or see what you're doing while you're searching on their Wi-Fi. 53% of people use mobile phone users use Wi-Fi, and the reason that is because many of us have limited data plans, and we want to save that data on our phone. So sometimes if your phone provider offers it, it's a good idea to get unlimited data, or if you need to use public Wi-Fi, make sure that you understand what the Wi-Fi is that you're connecting, meaning that you need to find out from whoever owns the establishment if that is the Wi-Fi connection you should be connecting to, rather than just jumping on some random open wireless connection that you see in a public place. Next on our list is research your apps. So you're talking about a million different malware threats daily. And some of the things that you need to worry about is, number one, apps that are uploaded mainly to the Google Play Store are apps that could be designed to steal your data. Also, the new trend is crypto jacking. That's where someone uses your smart device to mine for cryptocurrency. What happens is that you download an app or virus, it takes control of your phone, and someone can use the resources of your phone to mine for crypto data. The bad thing about that is, well, the good thing is no information stolen. The bad thing is that your smartphone could be used to capacity where it could overheat and ruin your device. So you really want to avoid uh, crypto jacking. But also, you definitely need to do your research on your apps to make sure that you're downloading apps that are legitimate. Check the reviews out, see what people are saying about the app before you download it and start using it on your smart device. And finally, avoid unknown links. And I know this sounds kind of basic, but many viruses and many of the links that come through in the way of email and websites are socially engineered. So they're designed to elicit a response from you in order to get you to click. It could be an email such as a fake email from a loved one saying that they need money, or it could be a pop-up that is offering to give you free money or a free item. So all of these scams you need to avoid, and one of the best ways to do it is to make sure that you are not clicking on links that could invite it in, because you could have the best antivirus package on your smartphone, but if you open the door and allow a virus to come into your smartphone, the virus protection is not going to do you any good. So check out those tips. They should be good information and that will allow you to make sure that you can keep your smartphone safe. If you've got comments or questions about this tech tip, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what items you would like to see me cover in future videos. And speaking of videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels. You can subscribe to Integral. Company logo's down in the lower right hand corner. Or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Burton Kelso. On both channels, there's hundreds of videos that are designed to help you get more from the technology that you use in your day-to-day life. And be sure to follow us on social media. We're on all the social media platforms sharing tech tips that are designed to help you get more from the technology that you use in your home or business. As always, folks, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.